Two ways to save TikTok drafts to gallery without posting. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can save TikTok drafts to gallery without posting. I'll show you two different ways actually. Now first and foremost, if you open up TikTok, you'll get an interface like this somewhat. What you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and here you'll be able to see your draft section. You want to simply tap on drafts and you'll be able to view your drafts right now. As you know, there are two ways to save TikTok drafts. Now first way is if you tap on drafts option, after the latest update you'll get the save option here on the screen. You can see the save option at the right hand side of the screen under the settings option at the top right corner. So you want to simply tap on save option and it'll start saving your video and it'll be saved to your gallery without you having to post it. So the second way is what you want to do is you want to tap on next from here, and once you tap on next, what you want to do is you want to tap on everyone can view this post option that you can see on the screen. Tap on it, and here you want to tap on only you option. Once you select this, no one else will be able to see your video that you have posted it. It'll be set to private and you can post it, and the video will be saved to gallery as well. So this is the two way that you can save TikTok drafts to gallery without posting. Now previously, as you saw, I saved this video on my device, so it'll be on my gallery right here. On here you can see the video has been saved. So this way you can save TikTok drafts to gallery without posting. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.